What's up, guys? JT over at Team FAS Motorsports, and we just got back from the post office. Got a bunch of cool goodies here from the boys over at PRP. Jason and the guys hooked us up with some new stuff for our Pro R. So we're gonna go ahead and go in the warehouse. We'll unbox this thing for you, and then we'll probably go over to the house and throw these on the Pro R. So we'll see you inside. Okay, so like I said, we got some stuff from Jason and the guys over at PRP. Pretty excited for it. One of the problems is on our Pro R, when we did wreck it back in Glamis, brought it home, we wind up doing some upgrades as far as the Rockford Fosgate, the Stage 5 kit. So we lost the glove box. We do have a PRP center bag. We do have a PRP overhead bag. So it wasn't that bad as far as storage, but definitely we could use more. So we went ahead and spoke to PRP, and we got their brand new Pro R door bag knee pads. Okay, so these do incorporate a top zippered storage area, which is great, but goggles, you could probably fit a small hoodie in there. But definitely goggles, gloves, stuff like that's awesome. The lower part does have a zipper, but that's for the foam. That is your knee pad. These do go right on the stock doors. So you just take out your Torx heads that are on the door, drill them through here, bolt them down, and you're all good to go. So these do fit all the stock locations. That's all there to, install these things. We did have the version on our XP1000, same concept. I believe we had them on our Pro XP for a while, and then we went to door speakers. So we eliminated those and went to a roof bag and a center bag on that from PRP as well. So we're gonna go ahead. Machine's not here, unfortunately. Just got picked up. It's over at the house. So we're gonna head on over there and we'll get the things installed. Super simple. We'll show you what they look like when they're done, and we'll take a ride over there now. Okay, so we're back over here at the machine now, and very simple install. Basically, the bags lay right in here using the stock hardware, but they mount from the back. So you do have to remove this side panel, which is going to be 2, 3, about 8 screws. You do have this U-shaped bracket down here. I'm not going to take that off. I'm actually going to take the front panels off, and hopefully we'll be able to just line it up without removing the entire panel. But we'll go ahead and get some of these bolts out and pretty much see where it lays, and get these things installed. Okay, so yeah, I think we're gonna have enough room where I could sneak this bag behind here and get all the pieces lined up. So you basically have these holes. They're going to go back in the same spot. So if we could sneak this behind here, should be pretty good to go. They do say it's easiest. Remove this lower foam. This is for the knee pad, or you could leave it out and use it as extra storage. They do say you could do it either way. So it's totally up to you. We'll go ahead and get these in. Okay, now what they want you to do is, in the instructions, which, by the way, the instructions don't come in the box. They are on the PRPSeats.com website. So you do want to hop on there, just go to the listing, click instructions, and it'll come up with a whole PDF. But they say start here in the front, the latch, so you can easily line it up, and then work your way backwards, mounting across the top and the bottom. So that's exactly what we'll do. And in case you're wondering, all these are the same size, so you don't have to worry about mixing them up. the first one. Now you want to just pull this through so it sits nice and flush. We'll go up here to the top one. Now these are body clips, so you don't gotta go crazy, tighten them down super tight. You just wanna basically hold the bag in there, make sure your panel's nice and tight and not rattling. Okay, once you got all those in, that's how it'll fit. Real nice, have your storage here, fit goggles, whatever you want to fit in there. It's pretty deep pocket. Just fit a bunch of stuff in there. And obviously, like I said, the lower one, it is padded on the inside, so you can use this, again, for goggles, anything you want. Or you can go ahead and put this piece back in, just like that. Zip that, and then you have your knee pad right there. So we did previously, if you could see this mark up here, we did previously have just the elbow pads from PRP, which clip in here and clip in here. Don't have one here with me, but that was really, really nice. And then they came out with these, so we're definitely going to upgrade these. Go ahead and do the other side, but that's pretty much all there is to it. I will I'm going to hop in and close the door, show you guys that you do have some good room in here. Okay, so as you can see, once we're in here, nice and easy to get to everything that's in your bag. Good spot for a cell phone, stuff like that, especially once it's zipped. At least in the case you do roll over, you know, your stuff will be secure. We lost our glove box, obviously, because of the Rockford Fosgate kit. And then we do have the PRP center bag here that holds a lot of our stuff. We put our first aid in there, a small air compressor, PRP overhead bag. That holds all sorts of stuff in there. Sweatshirts, hoodies, you know, I have a spare belt in here for the machine, so that's real cool. This is for your maps. I usually put a map in here if we're going somewhere that's, you know, maybe a small town poker run or something like that. They'll have a map of the trail system. That's obviously not open year round, so it's not gonna be on your ride command. But yeah, real cool. Nice storage here. You can see this falls right at your knee here. So again, I'm gonna leave it as cushion. You know, this is kind of nice instead of slamming your leg into the frame here. But again, you could take that out, make it more storage. But I think for us, we're just gonna leave it right as a door bag and the knee pad. So again, all this is available on teamfasmotorsports.com. We appreciate all the support, watching the videos. If you found it useful, go ahead and click like, subscribe to our channel. We do have giveaways going 1 to 2 times a month. We have a lot of great sponsors that donate stuff for us to give away on the channel. So we've really ramped that up in the last couple of months as far as getting back onto it. We did it a while ago, and then just we got too busy. So we're back at it now, though. We're giving our giveaways away again, you know, pretty consistently. So again, teamfasmotorsports.com, PRP Seats. You can pick up all the stuff that they make, custom seats, harnesses, door bags, storage options, you know, a whole bunch of stuff. They make steering wheels. There's just a bunch of stuff, as well as speed strap. They make all the speed straps for your trailers and your tie downs. So go ahead and check out prpseats.com. Give us a call at Team FAS Motorsports. If you need anything for your machines, you know, we do carry over 750 brands. So we're happy to get you guys hooked up. Drop us a comment if you have any questions. And again, give us a call if you want to get a set of these, 914-799-5558 or teamfasmotorsports.com. Again, thanks for the support. Shout out to PRP, Jason and the guys for hooking us up with these bags and letting us do some videos for them. So again, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.